Well, it's day 2, and Chrissy's finally got her shit together.
No, I've been ready for 5 hours.
Yeah, right. But beautiful morning, just gorgeous out. So we are gonna take off and try and solve the internet issues. We're having some internet issues. They are working on the tower. Here, I'll show you. You can see the tower's like right there. Oh, look at the condor. You can see that. It's huge. See that tower right in the center there? Like the tower's right there. It's really close. It's supposed to have really good internet here, but they're having issues, so not too good. So we're gonna leave the house now. Okay, so get a load of this. The people here are fucking amazing, hey?
Amazing.
Amazing. So we're going around trying to find a resort. We thought it was a resort. It looks like just a really big house. Or maybe you need to phone someone to let you in. I don't know, regardless. We're trying to solve our internet issues, okay? So we noticed that there was another hotel kind of up the road. We turned in there, you go up this big goat trail. It's a big hotel, but it doesn't really look like there's too many people around. So we drove around, and then this fellow was out. Asked him if he spoke English, because obviously you all know my Spanish is horrible. He does. His name was Alan, and he was talking with us, and he goes, 1 minute. Goes inside the house, comes back out, and he gives us a mobile hotspot. One of those. And he said, just bring it back. That was it.
No, I hope you bring it back.
Yeah, I hope you bring it back. So, I wish I could upload this video, because I don't know what to get the guy, but like, that's fucking amazing. Even the cops the other day were really fucking nice. They asked to see our passports, and of course it was in my little fanny pack that I had, and all of the cash was right there, and instantly I'm thinking they're gonna fuck with us, right? Maybe that's ignorant way of thinking, I don't know, but you know, I've heard stories like that, especially in Mexico. Cops pull you over, they're gonna fuck with you. Here, not at all. He just wrote down our names and basically said welcome and have a good time, and that was it. So, oh, construction.
Yeah, take a picture of this. No one guiding anybody.
Yeah, crazy. But anyways, I just wanted to say the people here are amazing.
Amazing.
I mean, man, like, pretty cool. I don't think this is gonna solve our internet issues, but let me get around this fucking guy. But I think it might be a little bit better, because I think it'll go off of our cell phones now, which is at least, the internet's doable, upload speeds suck, but the internet will be all right. So we'll see what happens. I'll load it up when we get home. We gotta go grab some lunch now. We're gonna go talk to that, there's like a little resort we're going to for lunch, and they have internet, so maybe we'll see if we can work a deal with them. But pretty fucking cool people, man. That's all I gotta say. Really impressed with the people. There's a lizard there. Stick your hand out and get a good video. Now, out the fucking window, come on. That's a big one. So we're back where we were yesterday. Looks like they're cooking a pig here, so we'll go check that out. Looks pretty cool. Really nice day out. Should be pretty cool. Yeah, beautiful area though. At least the tide's in. We'll check that out here in a minute. Hola. Pretty cool. Yes, there were crocodiles in the water the other day. Or at least one, he said. Nice beach. Super nice out. It's a little windy. I don't have proper audio on this, so hopefully it's not too bad. Well, no, it's, yeah, I think so.
Oh, it tides up too, though.
Yeah. Super nice out, eh? Yeah.
That breeze.
Yeah. First dip of my toes in the ocean. Yeah, it is warm. Pretty nice. Gorgeous beach though, it's like perfect. Look at you all in the wind.
With my big slit.
Yeah. Oh, these sandals suck once they get wet.
Yeah, I was just thinking that I have a little cut of mine.
Did you check the pig out?
A little bit,
Yeah.
but I do want to go through there.
Yeah, it's pretty cool.
It has like a big thing in its butt.
I know. That's pretty cool stuff. That's so cool, eh?
Oh, and they're cooking something else too. Is that a small pig?
No, I don't know. I'm not sure.
Let's not ask.
No. Kind of looks like a dog or something.
No,
That's the whole.
don't. A goat.
A goat? Ah, it could be. I don't think it's a goat. Kayaks?
We can take any of them for free.
Oh, really?
That's what it said.
Oh, wow. That was the guy yesterday. I don't know if he really knew what the fuck he was talking about, to be honest.